In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a cookies pop-up notification in WordPress. Cookies are small files containing data sent by a website to store in the user's browser. Cookies are widely used on the web for storing information and providing a personalized browsing experience to users. Most reputable websites usually have a privacy policy and a terms of service page where they mention how they use cookies on their website. Today, I'm going to show you how you can add a cookie pop-up notification on your website. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Cookie Yes plugin. Now, I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. If you notice, you can see the GDPR compliance icon on your dashboard. Click on the icon. In the general settings, make sure the cookie bar is enabled. Select the GDPR law. And here you can choose to auto-hide the bar after a delay or if the user scrolls down. Then you can customize the cookie bar from here. You can add a message heading here, change the message, bar color, and the text color, etc. So you can do this part on your own. Next is the Customize button option. You can customize the button text, color, etc. And you can ignore the advanced options. The plugin also has a helpful guide for you if you have any problems. Now, let's see if the plugin works correctly. Copy your website's URL and open it in a private tab. And as you can see, the cookie bar appears here. If you're not seeing this bar, then you might want to delete your website's cache, and then this bar will be displayed. This is how you can add a cookies pop-up notification in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.